Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use iqoo mobile sound and vibration setting. And in this video friends, we will talk about how to add custom ringtone in iqoo mobile and how to use custom ringtone in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to use iqoo mobile custom ringtone setting. So friends, now let's see how to use iqoo mobile custom ringtone one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So now let's see how to add custom ringtone, how to set custom ringtone in iqoo mobile. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, scroll down here and open your phone sound and vibration setting. After turn on phone sound and vibration setting friends, you can increase and decrease volume, you can adjust device volume. And if you scroll down here, so friends, you can use phone ringtone setting, do not disturb setting, notification ringtone, alarm ringtone you can use. So friends, click your phone ringtone setting and you can select your ringtone sound and you can change your ringtone in iqoo mobile. And friends, you want to use custom ringtone, so friends, click your custom ringtone setting and friends, you can select your custom ringtone sound and you can use. First of all guys, I will decrease volume because of sound. So friends, scroll down here and select your ringtone sound and you can use your ringtone sound in your iqoo mobile. You can use your custom ringtone sound. So friends, I will select this silent night custom ringtone sound. Friends, I will use okay, click here back button. So friends, you can check your custom ringtone will set and you can use your custom ringtone sound in your iqoo mobile. Increase volume and you can use it. So like that friends, you can add custom ringtone in your iqoo mobile. You can use custom ringtone sound in iqoo mobile. And friends, if you click your notification sound, so friends, you can use your notification custom ringtone sound. Select your notification custom ringtone sound and you can use it. Example friends, I will select this second option. So friends, you can see notification custom ringtone will set in my iqoo mobile and I can use it. So like that friends, you can use notification custom ringtone, phone custom ringtone, alarm custom ringtone friends you want to set. So friends, click here custom ringtone. You can select your alarm custom ringtone sound and you can use it in your iqoo mobile. Alarm ringtone will set here, alarm custom ringtone will set, and you don't want to use, so you can use your system ringtone in your iqoo mobile. So friends, select your system ringtone sound and you can use it. So like that friends, you want to set phone ringtone and you want to set your custom ringtone, so you can add your custom ringtone in iqoo mobile and you can use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem in iqoo mobile settings, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.